Ah, good morning. Oh, what a beautiful morning. And it is a hot one today. I just checked and it's already 79 degrees. It's gonna hit at least 90. It's gonna be over 90 today. But absolutely beautiful. uh, oh man. There's just some little clouds, but oh. Looking up the valley here, it's beautiful. It's gonna be sad to leave this site. This is definitely going on a top 10 list of best boondocking sites so far. This is Tuzigoot. It's Tuzigoot National Monument, and Tuzigoot is actually an Apache word, and it means crooked water because there's a crooked river, part of the Verde Valley here. But these ruins were actually built by Sinagua Indians between roughly about the year 1100 and 1400. And it's amazing. It's just so amazing to be in a place like this. There's actually some Indian grinding stones in some of the ruins here. Just walking through history like this, there's nothing like it. These pueblos were built on the top of a ridge that goes right through this valley here. Yeah, it sits up high overlooking everything. It's just The view from here is amazing. It's really killer. Here we are on the roof, and one really amazing thing about Tuzigoot is that there was only one building with a door. None of these rooms had doors to them. The inhabitants would have gone down a ladder through the roof. So each one of these rooms would have had a hole in the ceiling with a ladder going down into it, and that's how you would have entered and exited. You can just imagine that this place would have been bustling with life. About 200 people could have lived here, and there would be children running around, people cooking, people making crafts and baskets, grinding corn and other grains. Yeah, just life everywhere. While you or I might look around and see permanent homes that were somehow abandoned by their owners, local native stories say that these were always intended to be temporary homes, and that the inhabitants were simply on a journey, and that when they left here, their journey took them somewhere else. And we know that the Sinagua people actually moved north from here, so their descendants actually still live just north of here. Native history is also American history, and knowing that there were vibrant and beautiful communities thriving here in the Americas long before Europeans came, I don't know, it's just fascinating. It's so amazing.